Hello, everyone. This is Team 2 of Big Data Intelligence 7245. My name is Sai Priya Virabhuma. These are my teammates, co developers, Vishal Prasanna and Sai Shunat. This is our application, which is TravelBuddy. This is your one stop destination to know about your customized itineraries, your travel plans, about your flights, hotel details, exploring the places nearby. So, this is kind of the landing page, and let's quickly log in and get into the application right away. Here we can see we are trying to set up a login.
For the login, we have used OAuth, which follows Auto protocol. You can do SSO with Google account. Once you're
And
logged in, you can see the homepage here. Can you scroll down a little? Yeah, here are some of the uh, destinations which you can explore. Yeah, once you click on new chat.
there is enough documentation which is available, kind of, if you can scroll down a bit. Okay, now this is the chat page where we have given the enough prompts that this is the introduction and the character of the chatbot. Like once when we have given the prompt as hi, so it kind of introduces itself and provides on what functionalities it has. We can quickly ask it that to plan a trip or find new places nearby, maybe. So now the prompt given is places to explore in Boston with kind of a spelling mistake. As you can see that it kind of mapped even in the map beside travel map also. So it takes the latitude and longitude of the geolocations and spot it. So if you can see that when a prompt is given by the user in the backend, the working is first it gets to the planning age, it gets to the route agent, which kind of an classify intent classifier. It delegates that particular prompt to the particular agent. So next, the main agents are planning agent, the travel weather agent, and the explore agent. Now, as this comes under the explore in Boston, it kind of navigates to the explore agent. This explore agent with the API calling and with the prompting which it has, it retrieves the answer, then sends it to the route agent, which with through the LLM, it kind of displays the simplified and queried result, and also based on the promptings and guardrails which we have given, it displays the top 5 places. Let's move on to the next prompt.
So here, each agent is connected to each of the APIs or the data sources. So for Explore agent, it's like the agent is connected to destination sources, which it can fetch destinations based on the prompt. So as the prompt shows Boston, so it kind of gets all the places nearby to explore in the Boston and fetches the data. Once it fetches the data, it integrates with the Google Maps application and shows the locations as well, as you can see. And also we have implemented multi-cuisine, like whatever the user would like with cuisines like Indian, Chinese, or any Asian, they can try exploring the restaurants nearby as well. As you can see, this is all Indian restaurants nearby in Boston displays, and with also a rating and the location as well. So
So
for
because of the prompting patterns we have given, it kind of requires much more details from the user to give the personalized result. So here, as you can see, it has the check-in, check-out dates and the number of occupants for that particular hotel search. We shall try with a different city or state just to show that map diversion. Yeah, so this is where the hotel agent comes into the picture as the user asked about the hotel. The intent kind of delegates to the hotel agent and the API fetches the details. And once when it passes through all the prompting patterns which we have given, this is the finalized query. Similarly, we can even search for the flights and post that we can try for the weather and the itinerary planning. If not directly give the itinerary planning, it will give flights, weather, everything, right? We are running out of time. So it kind of gives the top five best options of the flight, and the top five options are curated based on the fastest, the affordable option, and the best rating flights. And for this particular tip, it has given these options. And now let's try the itinerary agent. When we have given the prompt as plan a trip to Miami, for the itinerary agent, based on the promptings which we have given, uh, it's asking few curated questions such as the departure city, number of travelers, and also we can give out the interest on what kind of trip we are expecting in that particular city or the state so that it plans the itinerary in that certain way.
So once we provide the enough details data to the prompt, so it kind of generates a proper itinerary, from starting from a weather and to the flights to the exploring beaches or any exploring places in the location. So it will take time so that the route agent works well with everything. Yeah.
And this is how it kind of generates the itinerary. If you can see that the pattern which we have given us initially, it has to give in the weather report to the destination, which it did, and post that it has given the travel, the hotels, and what to explore. So here it comes with three agent combined results. So it has planned for the entire number of days which we have given, and also tops up with the few tips which are required. And similarly, you can, so this multi-agent architecture was being managed by the LangGraph. We have utilized LangGraph. Vishal, do you want to say anything?
So we have used a LangGraph for multi agents. So LangGraph is going to treat each agent as a node, and it's going to route based on the routes. So here are the few details,
And for the
like
live
what is
price,
the budget estimation for this trip.
We can even plan our trip according to our budget. If you're a student, you can have a student pocket friendly trips, or if you're a couple, or if you are going with a big troop. So this kind of generates the personalized itinerary. And post this, we have also implemented the flight search, which again you can lead to the sidebar and Do you want to tell anything about the chat? We are running out of time.
That's it. No.
Okay, go
So
to
for
the
the
flights
flight
next.
prices, we have used Airflow. So kind of Airflow gets the raw flight prices, live flight prices, and it kind of does the validations, data validations, and creates denormalized fact tables and retrieves the data from the Snowflake.
So, for example, let's try for Boston to Hyderabad, maybe, and somewhere around May 5th, the ongoing day. Yeah. So for now, let's stick to the one way. So now that we have given the details, when it's clicked on search, the Airflow DAG gets triggered and scroll up. Yeah. And immediately the latest flight prices will be fetched and displayed. And we have done few analysis, which it kind of displays the cheapest flight, fastest flight, uh, in the available options, and also it kind of gives the connecting flight details as well. If you can scroll down, it will result in the top few flight details.
Yeah, that's it from for the project.
If you can scroll down, you can even, like, there is a lot of improvements which are going to come ahead. So if you want to stay tuned, you can click to subscribe and you will be notified. You can also join our wait list to know about the further improvements. And the later part would be we would be trying to implement the inspiration section, where when you click on what kind of trip you want to plan it to be, we are about to get into the data extraction from the Pinecone, and that will kind of generate personalized, even more personalized theme generated itineraries. So that is it. Thank you so much.